The entertainment creator of the year is Jezreel Ellie!
Oh, God. Thank you. Oh, yeah, thank you, Lord. Ang bait mo sa akin. Nung pag-akyat ko rito, oh my God, unang naisip ko agad, nanay ko. Nanay, we made it. Oh, naiyak ko. oh. Less than a year pa lang ako nag-start gumawa ng entertainment. So, actually yung nanay ko, sabi niya, are you sure about what you're doing? Because nababasa niya, ang daming nang babash. Because, you know, sa entertainment, if you're going to give reviews for some programs, you know, some supporters of that program and some of the, you know, yung mga hindi supporters ng program na yon, they're going to bash you. But in entertainment, we just need to give our honest review. And sabi na nanay ko, are you sure with that? And sabi ko lang sa nanay ko, kaya ko, wag ka na lang magbasa ng comments. Basta ako kaya kong tanggapin. So yeah, Nay, to my family, to my friends, and of course, yan sa mga fellow entertainment creators ko na minsan after an event, may event ulit tayo, tapos may event ulit, hindi tayo napapagod. So yeah, I'm sharing this award to you guys. Maririnig ang entertainment and of course, sa support nila Miss Alex, nila Sir Marks, nila Sir Carl. Thank you very much. Sa atin to. Thank you.